Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty isn't just skin deep, it's about how you feel too. Today, we're talking about a hair care duo that promises to bring your hair back to life. If you're someone who's struggling with damage, color-treated hair, or simply weak strands, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's dive into the L'Oréal Paris EverPure Sulfate-Free Vegan Hair Care Kit, which includes their Bond Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. This sulfate-free set has been designed with a specific focus on those with colored, bleached, or damaged hair. It's formulated with citric acid, a key ingredient that helps penetrate the hair cortex to rebuild weak hair bonds. That's right, this shampoo and conditioner set isn't just about washing your hair, it's about strengthening it from within. Now let's get into the details of the product. The shampoo, first off, lathers up nicely. With no sulfates, you'll notice it's gentler on your scalp and hair. For anyone with color-treated hair, that's a relief because sulfates can sometimes strip your hair of the vibrancy and moisture you've worked so hard to achieve. This formula is focused on repairing hair bonds, those delicate bonds that can break with coloring or heat damage. The shampoo helps to give your hair a solid foundation, and you can already feel a difference after just the first wash. When it comes to the conditioner, it's got a creamy texture that coats the hair nicely, and the instructions recommend leaving it in for 3 minutes for the best results. This isn't a heavy conditioner, so you don't need to worry about your hair feeling weighed down afterward. The formula is designed to leave your hair feeling soft and manageable without that heavy, greasy feeling that some products can leave behind. What I really love about this product is that it is vegan and free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and gluten. For those who care about the ingredients in their products, L'Oréal Paris has taken extra steps to ensure their formula is as clean and respectful to your hair as possible. And of course, you can't ignore the fact that it's color care friendly, which is a huge plus for anyone with salon-treated hair. This shampoo and conditioner set ensures that your color lasts longer while still strengthening your hair. Let's talk about how it performed during real-world use. I've been using the set for about 2 weeks, incorporating it into my usual hair routine. The shampoo has a fresh, slightly herbal scent, not overpowering, but definitely noticeable. After washing, my hair felt thoroughly cleansed without being stripped. The conditioner did its job of softening and detangling without weighing my fine hair down, which can sometimes be a problem with repair-focused products. Now, for the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, it's an effective bond repairing duo that's free from harsh sulfates and parabens. The conditioner doesn't leave your hair feeling greasy, and it's definitely gentle enough for color-treated hair. For those who want to give their damaged strands some TLC without compromising the vibrancy of their color, this is a great option. Plus, it's vegan, so it aligns with ethical and clean beauty practices. As for cons, the only real downside I noticed was that it might not provide as much moisture or shine for extremely dry or coarse hair. While it strengthens, if your hair is severely dehydrated, you might need a more moisturizing product alongside this duo. When it comes to value for money, this is a solid investment for anyone who's dealing with color-treated or damaged hair. The formula is high quality, and when you compare it to other bond-strengthening treatments on the market, this one stands out for its affordability, especially considering that it's a vegan product. If you're someone who's looking for a comparable product, but at a lower price point, there are some other sulfate-free shampoos out there that also focus on strengthening and repairing hair, like OGX's Repairing Plus Bonding Shampoo, but they may not have the same level of bond repairing technology that L'Oréal Paris offers. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and functional. It's a plastic bottle with a secure cap, so there are no issues with leaks or wasting product. In terms of longevity, the set has lasted me a solid amount of time with regular use, and I haven't noticed any decline in its effectiveness. If you've had any experiences with L'Oréal Paris's customer service, you'll know that they tend to be quite responsive. While I haven't had a reason to contact them directly, their reputation for handling inquiries is solid. Final thoughts. The L'Oréal Paris EverPure Sulfate-Free Vegan Hair Care Kit lives up to its promises. It strengthens, repairs, and revives your hair without being too harsh. and it's a great choice for anyone who needs a gentle yet effective bond repairing routine. I would recommend this to those with color-treated or slightly damaged hair looking for a clean vegan option to strengthen and maintain their locks. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.